Likely this is the last time I'll be riding this before I head out to Port Saint Lucie. Here he is. This is my last ride out here. Don't care if you see the house. By the time I post this up, I'll be gone. I'll be out of here. I'm in North Jersey, Bloomfield, New Jersey. I'm heading out to Port Saint Lucie. More than likely, the moving truck will be here tomorrow, and I can set my sights on going home. I've been trying to get out of here for the last 2 months. Mover delays, but the weather. But it's all coming together now. Next day or so, I should have movers here and out of here. Got the Seiko on deck. Yeah, I ain't do bad for a ghetto ass kid from Patterson, New Jersey. Put the house up for sale. Already got a buyer. Hopefully we can close on it sometime next month, and we'll figure it out from there. Let's go enjoy a little bit of this ride. It's 90 degrees today. It's actually really nice out, so perfect riding weather. Let's go put some miles on this bad boy. I had it up front. I was taking some pictures of the house. I just kind of want to save it as memories. Spent the last 4 years here. My kids loved it. I loved it. And had a good time. My neighbors, gonna miss them. It's beautiful out today. Out here today. I'm in North Jersey. Not sure if anybody. I'm in Bloomfield, New Jersey. So excited. Some delays came up as far as like the moving company due to the weather. A couple of hurricanes, I guess, were going across somewhere. There was rain delays, but I should have a truck tomorrow. I mean, it's a trailer. It's a 24 footer, so I can transport the Ryker and some of my items. I'm not moving any real furniture, just kind of taking like the most important stuff, clothes, stuff like that. But it's still a big move, going up to a complete different state. So, but it should be fun. The transition should be fun. I'm looking forward to it. I have my wind visor up, so I'm not sure if you've been able to hear me, but yeah, so North Jersey, see ya later. By the time I post this, I'll be gone already. I should be home. Hoping to be able to get everything set up, internet and all that stuff, so I can kind of edit some of this footage and put it up. You know, I do it for myself anyway. Just kind of like, this is just a memory that I want to save. I'll put it up on the YouTube, save it there when I moved out of North Jersey. So the last 2 months has been crazy. Trying to figure out how I was gonna move this thing down to Port Saint Lucie, Florida, but I figured it out. I got real lucky. Yeah, as far as I believe lucky is because the gentleman that does the auto transport, he has a trailer big enough, and he was like, if I wasn't moving any furniture, he can kind of like help me out, and that's what I'm hoping that happens in the next day or so. One of the trailers becomes available, and I'm able to just, you know, ride this thing on and put my belongings in it, and then we're just gonna drive the car down and meet him down there in a couple of days. There's no rush for me to get there. I really don't have a job set up or anything yet, so I'm just kind of winging it. But I've made it happen here. I've made it this far, so I'm pretty sure I can make it work out there. I'm looking forward to that journey. We'll take a ride up to Jersey City, spend a little time up there real quick. I'll hit up the mall before I leave. I had the one baffle off. I ended up putting the baffle back on, you know, with only one baffle on. It did have a nicer growl to it, but not what I'm looking for. I did it. I rode it around a couple times without it. It sounds awesome if you want to make some noise. I personally prefer no noise. I just wanted a little upgrade from the stock, which I feel I got once I put the exhaust on. So I was happy with, you know, having both baffles on, and I'm still excited about it. I feel like it's a nice upgrade. So anyone that's looking something, you know, not loud and it's not gonna like pierce your ears, that silver turbo tunable, just keep the baffles on. You can always play with them on and off. I prefer it with both of them on. I think it's breaking it nice. Makes enough noise for me. I don't plan to, you know, be out riding this thing in the middle of the night. I just do it to get out here and get out of the house for a little bit. That's it. It's coming along nice too. See, on the forums, a lot of people talk about the Spider, the F3. I mean, I would love to add the F3. I've never rode one. I rode two wheels, but I don't know. I'm kind of still interested in that Spider F3. One of those. I like the older models better than the newer models, but I'm definitely not looking to get rid of the Ryker. I like this Ryker. I like, you know, what it gives me. I feel like the Spider and the Ryker are two different beasts. So I think this is kind of like more for what I use it for locally here. Go have some fun, get out. And the Spider would be you know, more comfortable ride. I assume. I've never rode them, but once I get down to Port Saint Lucie, I think the weather's a lot better, so I'm going to be able to ride this thing a lot more, and then I'll decide from there if I want to add two wheels, you know, if I want to add a Spider, or what else I'm going to add. I have a functioning garage. I mean, the garage I have now is so small that I can only put like really just a Ryker and some lawn equipment in it. But I mean, I got a garage now, so I'll be able to add some tools in there. You'll see. Mistaken, this is already considered like Belleville, New Jersey.